This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Giuseppe Zerillo. Welcome to this spectacular fully updated 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom ranch with fully fenced-in yard including gated side driveway. Main level features solid hardwood flooring, spectacular lighting, a rare open floor plan to the kitchen, living room, and dining room areas. Kitchen has gorgeous cabinets with a breakfast bar covered in gleaming granite countertops along with a glass backsplash and finishes off with stainless steel appliances. Fully finished basement with a custom-built wet bar with granite countertops and concealing lighting, separate laundry room area, full bathroom with stand-up shower, and tons of storage space. Updated windows and doors throughout the home. Surround sound system on the main level and basement. Exterior has a solid brick garage and sprinkler system in the front of the home. Security cameras monitor the exterior of the property. For more information